How are you feeling?
Buzzing, 3 points, massive. That's what we wanted. Simple as
You had a missed penalty to start off with, and a minute later you went on the other end. What was going through your mind when you see that ball coming in the side of the bar?
that. I was gutted, it was a well-struck penalty. I was aiming for the top corner. Unfortunately, it was an inch too high. But lucky enough, a minute later, I get a goal. So, happy days.
How big is that result for the dressing room now with the run of form we've been on?
The dressing room's been good, even though we've lost the last three. Training Wednesday nights, they've been intense. A good bunch of boys here, and the results haven't been well. And it's our fault. We've been working hard, but after them 3 points today, it'll be another notch now, and the boys will be buzzing to get back in on Wednesday and play the next game next Saturday.
And looking ahead to that game next Saturday, we've got a big game against Kevin Drews who did this year. Positive, looking forward now to assault 7th place.
Yeah, of course. It's all been about the 7th place. As soon as we knew that we couldn't make the top 6, Bishop Moseley have cemented into us that we need that 7th place, and they've been doing everything they can, and we've let them down a bit. Last few results, personally, as players, we've been poor. Their coaches have been awesome. Everything they've got us to do, we just haven't done the last few weeks. And today we showed that we wanted to do it. We stuck to the game plan, and if we do that next week and the next few games, we're sure we can get our 7th place.
Cheers, mate. Fancy your time and congratulations.
Thank you.